What's up guys? For today's video, gagawa kami ng video para sa multiplication ni Blue. Alam niya na mag-multiply guys. So, here we go. I'm gonna ask him, what is the multiplication of 1 times 1? 1 times 2.
2.
1 times 3.
3.
1 times 4.
4. 4. 4, 5,
1
6, 7,
times 5.
8, 9, 10.
Okay, we'll start from the 2. 2 times 2.
2 times 2 equals
2 times 3.
6.
6. 2 times 4.
8.
2 times 5.
10.
10.
12.
2 times 6.
12.
2 times 7.
14.
2 times 8.
16.
16. 2 times 9.
18.
18. 2 times 10.
20.
20. Correct. So we'll go on to number 3. 3 times 1.
3 times 1.
3. 3 times 2. Make it louder, please.
6.
6. 3 times 3.
9.
9. 3 times 4.
12.
12. 3 times 5.
15.
15. 3 times 6.
18.
18. 3 times 7.
21.
21.
Yeah.
3 times 8.
3 times 8. 24.
24. Correct. 3 times 9.
27.
27 is correct. 3 times 10. Sit down properly, Blue.
30.
30. Correct. So that's all for today, guys. Goodbye na.